In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Fortnite app on Android. We'll use the official method from Epic Games, which is the safest and most reliable way to get Fortnite on your device. Before we begin, make sure you have your Android phone handy, a stable internet connection, and enough storage space for a large game download. Start by opening Chrome or another browser on your Android phone. Any modern browser you already use is fine. This is how we'll reach the official Fortnite download page directly from Epic. In the address bar, go to www.fortnite.com/mobile/Android. This is the official Fortnite Android page from Epic Games. Take a moment to confirm the address so you know you're downloading from the correct source. On that page, tap the button that says Get It on Android. This will start the download for the Epic Games Store app, which is Epic's own app for installing Fortnite and other Epic titles on Android. You'll likely see a small file start downloading in your notification bar. This is the installer. If your phone prompts you to allow install unknown apps for your browser, that's expected. Because this download is coming directly from Epic and not from the Google Play Store, Android asks for permission. Follow the on-screen prompt to allow installs from this browser. This permission applies only to the source you approve, and it enables the installer to run. Once the download finishes, open the downloaded file to install the Epic Games app. Your phone may ask you to confirm that you want to install it. Go ahead and confirm. The installation should take just a moment, and then you'll see the Epic Games app appear on your home screen or in your app drawer. Open the Epic Games app. Inside, you'll find Fortnite featured prominently. Tap Fortnite, then tap Install. The app will begin downloading the necessary game files. This download can be large, so it's a good idea to stay on Wi-Fi and keep your device charged or plugged in. If the download pauses, just wait a moment and it should resume automatically once the connection is stable. After the installation completes, Fortnite will be ready to launch from your apps. From here, you can open it and sign in to your existing account or get set up so you're ready to play. That's it. Fortnite can be installed through the Epic Games Store app on Android devices directly from Epic. Thanks for watching and enjoy your game.